Hi everyone, we were just in beautiful Cuál, Belize, where an amazing workshop took place, certification in sustainability as a business revaluation process. Local businesses, organizations, and community leaders came together to learn how sustainability can transform hospitality into a more regenerative and inclusive sector. 21 businesses across Belize will receive their Good Travel Scan pre-certification thanks to the Belize Tourism Board. We also took a moment to recognize the local heroes who were brave enough to be part of the Good Practice Story submitted to the International Green Destinations Top 100 Stories competition, where Belize participated for the very first time. We are eagerly awaiting the results. It was an inspiring event, with everyone working together for a brighter and more sustainable future for Belize.